Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Brian.
We're from an Oregon cottage, and we're here to show you how to install a clean and simple 1920s farmhouse window trim.
It's sponsored by 3-in-1 100% pneumatic tool oil.
And also by Lava Soap, which I'm really going to need for cleanup afterwards.
So we have a 1920s farmhouse fixer, and a lot of the original details have been removed from it. We do have some of the original window moldings upstairs, and as you can see, they're very clean and simple farmhouse moldings, and this is what we want to replicate downstairs.
To get accurate measurements, we need to take the old molding off the window. Now, based on our measurements, we've sketched out a simple plan of what the molding will look like. 2 boards on either side, a board on the top and the bottom, a little sill, and a little board that goes sideways across the top for interest. And now we can determine how much lumber we need, and we can get all our supplies together. Now let's cut our pieces and put the molding up. You can install molding with just a hammer and nails, but what I found is way easier is getting an inexpensive pneumatic air nailer. I have a really inexpensive little air nail gun that I use for molding. It's perfect. It's lasted me for years because I'm always careful to oil it. And I use 3-in-1 100% pneumatic tool oil.
I really love how this window looks with the original trim now, and I can't wait to do the rest of our windows in our farmhouse, especially now that I know it's so easy.